Hey friends, my name is Roger Dwayne. If you're new to the channel, welcome. We are happy to have you. Go ahead and subscribe because you're going to love it here. If you're not new here, friend, you already know what we're about to say. Come on and say it with me. We are biggity back with another video. Alright y'all, so in this video, I'm going to be telling y'all some reasons your hair might not be growing. Even though this video does say for beginners, my vets can watch this too because I know sometimes in our natural hair journey, we start to forget to do certain things. But I'm done talking for now. I'll see y'all in the video. Before we even start this video, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe. We are on our way to 1K, but also make sure y'all watch it to the end because I got a little surprise for y'all. And we're back. So like I said, we are going to be talking about reasons your hair isn't growing. And we're going to start out with the basics because this is for beginners. So for my veterans that may be watching this, go ahead and watch it because I might say something that you might need to revisit. But my first thing of reasons your hair might not be growing is you are not wearing a bonnet. Now, everybody has talked about a bonnet, and you are still not wearing a bonnet. I have people that come up to me all the time and be like, Roger, how you getting your hair to grow so fast? And so I always start out with the basics, and my basic is, do you wear a bonnet? And 9 times out of 10, they say no. When I tell you wearing a bonnet is so vital in your natural hair journey, it is. People always talk about having these silk and satin or whatever pillowcases, but I just don't see how they do it. I don't see how they do it. I still need my bonnet. I don't care. I still got to have my bonnet. But wearing a bonnet is protecting your hair at nighttime when you're sleeping, because when you're sleeping and you're sleeping on cotton or whatever, your hair is moving. And if you're a wild sleeper, your hair is going to be moving a lot. And so when you're moving, you're causing friction on your hair, which is going to cause it to break. And we don't want none of that. So make sure you're wearing your bonnet. All right, the second reason your hair may not be growing is because you are not deep conditioning. Friend, in order for our hair to grow, it has to be moisturized. And the best way to get moisture as a natural is to deep condition. Deep conditioner can help nourish your hair. It'll help your hair be healthier and stronger. So you should be deep conditioning at least once or twice a week, and that is for my people that actually wear their natural hair out. But if you're one of those persons that leave your hair in protective styles for 2 to 3 weeks, when you take that style out, I would tell you to take your hair out or whatever at nighttime and deep condition overnight. And then once you wash your hair, condition your hair, deep condition again, because you've already missed out on a lot of moisture for 2 to 3 weeks already. So you need to be deep conditioning. I would say deep condition that night that you take that style out, and then also deep condition again after you've already cleansed your hair and conditioning whatever. Okay, the third reason why your hair may not be working is because you don't have a routine. But the longest y'all, I didn't have a routine, and I didn't really understand what a routine meant. And it doesn't mean that you have to use those same products every week. I don't use the same products every week. I try different products out every week, every 2 to 3 days sometimes. But when it comes down to routine, I mean like shampoo, conditioning, deep conditioning. So for someone who needs guidance on a routine, I'm gonna tell you this right here. For you who actually might want to follow this routine, I will have it written out in the description for you to be able to look back at. This is a routine that I actually follow still, so just check it out in the description. So what you want to do is you want to get you a shampoo or a co-wash. Shampoos is basically going to help cleanse your hair. They're going to cleanse your hair, but they're also going to moisturize your hair. So when you're done, your hair is going to be clean, but it also is going to be moisturized. It's not going to be feeling stripped or brittle. Oh, something I forgot to say, before you even shampoo, you need to pre-poo. And so with pre-pooing, it's going to help you eliminate tangles. So when you're shampooing your hair, it won't be a tangled up mess as well. So once you're pre-poo, you're going to shampoo. Once you shampoo, you are going to conditioner. You need to get you a conditioner that has a lot of moisture, a lot of slip, all of that. After your rinse out conditioner, you need to get a deep conditioner. As I was saying before, deep conditioners have a specific job. Your rinse out conditioners, your leave-in conditioners, and your twisting creams, they all have separate jobs. A deep conditioner is supposed to provide moisture. A lot of times I'm looking for moisture slip and for it to really like just revive my curls. But anyways, after you have deep condition for 30 minutes, an hour, or however long you want to deep conditioner, you want to go in with the leave-in conditioner. Now, some people like to apply products on dry hair. I prefer to apply my products on wet hair. It just works out so much better. And so on my deep conditioner, I put it on wet hair, and then then my leave-in conditioner, I always put it on wet hair as well. Once I put my leave-in in, I go ahead and put a cap on just like I did with my deep conditioner, and I allowed that leave-in conditioner to sit in my hair for at least 10-15 minutes before I try to style. But of course, something else I forgot to mention, I keep forgetting to mention stuff. Before I put my leave-in conditioner in, after I do my deep conditioner, I always go in with the growth oil, some type of growth oil or some type of oil in general, and I apply it to my scalp and I do a scalp massage to basically get that blood flow and also get the benefits from those oils into my scalp. And then I go ahead and put my leave-in in. After you apply your leave-in conditioner, this is basically like when you get into your styling portion of your wash day. And so with that, you have naturals that do something what's called the LOC method or the LCO method. And so basically the LOC method is where you apply your leave-in conditioner, your oil, and then your cream. So basically your leave-in conditioner, your oil, and then your styling cream. Then basically the LCO method is your leave-in, your styling cream, and then your oil. I myself am more of a LCO method kind of person. I love to put my leave-in conditioner, then my cream, and put my oil on top, and then I put my G up there for my gel because y'all know I want my crunch, I want all of that. But that is a basic routine you can follow. I hope I made sense. I know sometimes I can ramble and go all over the place, so I hope you were able to follow that. And the fourth reason your hair may not be growing is because you are using combs, you are using picks, and you are using heat. But I tell y'all, when I stopped using brushes, combs, picks, all of those things, and I stopped using heat, my hair flourished. Like, my hair got so much thicker, y'all. I think the thing is that we don't realize how much when we're doing these, when we're combing our hair out, how much we are breaking off, how much hair we are breaking off. My hair honestly just looked better, felt better, and it was just so much better when I stopped using picks, combs, brushes, and heat. I promise you. Just be all natural, friend. Naturally use them fingers. The fifth reason why your hair may not be growing is because you are dry detangling. Friend, why are you dry detangling? I saw this video on IG, y'all, and I would put it in the video, but I cannot find it. But y'all, this lady was combing her hair, and it was dry. It won't no water up there, no leave-in conditioner up there, no deep conditioner up there, no conditioner. She was just detangling her hair dry. Friend, do not do that. If you are one of those people that have to use a comb, have to use a brush or whatever to detangle your hair, you need to detangle your hair on wet hair. And the best time to do it is when you are applying your conditioner or your deep conditioner. You want to start from the bottom and work your way up with the comb. You don't want to, you do not want to dry detangle. All you are going to do is break your hair off, and it is not going to grow. All right, the sixth reason why your hair may not be growing is because you are not taking hair vitamins. Vitamins is a key way that a lot of us are growing our hair, and our hair is growing at a fast rate. I'm gonna have another video come out soon about hair vitamins, so just stay tuned for that, okay? But anyways, the seventh reason why your hair may not be growing is because you have a poor diet. Okay, I know a lot of people have tried to debunk that method or that way of growing your hair, talking about your diet. But if your diet doesn't matter, why are you guys taking hair vitamins? That means that you are putting those pills or those vitamins or those gummies in you, and it's causing a reaction up here and causing your hair to grow out. So that makes me think what you put in does matter. So I'm confused to the fact of people trying to say that your diet doesn't matter. It does. But see, the thing is, you may have a poor diet and your hair is still growing long. But I do believe if you have a healthier diet, I think it's not more of it helps your hair to grow faster. But I do believe that it may affect your hair more of like how shiny your hair is, how strong your hair is, how much natural oils your hair may produce. So child, try to eat healthier and drink your water. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, y'all, and this is the last tip. I think this is the 8th tip, but not massaging your scalp may be one of the #1 reasons your hair might not be growing. When you massage your scalp, you are helping the blood flow to your scalp. And the best way to massage your scalp is if you take some type of oil, like extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, and then add an essential oil to it, like peppermint. I love to take extra virgin olive oil and add some essential oil, the peppermint essential oil, to it, and take it and I rub it in my hands, and then I massage in my hair. Now, when you are massaging, put your hands in your hair, but do not go like this, and do not go like this when where you are scratching your scalp. You want to put your hands in your hair and do circular motions, but it needs to be like the bottom of, well, the tips of your fingers that are massaging your hair. And you don't want to go fast. You want to really just take your time. Or you can go get you a scalp massager. But when you're using the oil salt and the essential oil, the reason why we're using the oils is because oil naturally nourishes and moisturizes our scalp. And with essential oils, they help with blood flow as well. And you can do scalp massages every day. It does not have to be on your wash day. But my biggest and longest time that I do my scalp massages is on wash day. But in my opinion, it's not just a way of massaging your scalp. It's a way of anything that, any gunk or anything that may be on your scalp before wash day, you can go ahead and start to like get that up off of your scalp. So that's why I really enjoy doing scalp massages, to make sure my scalp is not only moisturized and that the blood flow is getting there and I'm helping my blood flow move better, but it's also a way of me being able to get the gunk off of my scalp. Whew. All right, y'all, so I know this is not the usual setup. I ain't got my light set up and I want my do all that setting up right now. But I did want to come to y'all and tell y'all this. We have 5 days to get to 1K, y'all. That is including today, Sunday, because y'all can go ahead and share my video and tell people to subscribe. So we are down to the last 4 days of the year, y'all. And so every day I'm about to be posting a video. We are getting to 1,000. I also got some other great things planned. But first we got to get to 1,000 and then we can do it. So you guys can expect to see me Monday through Thursday. Y'all even gonna see me on Friday because I got something else that I'm dropping. Y'all, we working hard over here. Also, somebody DM'd me the other day and told me that I need to do an all about me video. If y'all actually want to see that video, I'll have a comment down below that says about me. Just comment under there your question and I'll do the video. Now, if y'all don't comment nothing, I'm not doing that video. So you better comment. But that's all I got to say, y'all. I'll see y'all all through the week. Get into this chocolate skin, though. Come on, chocolate boy. But that is all I got for y'all today. I hope I made some kind of sense. Also, make sure you guys are on the lookout. January 1st is coming soon. And it's going down on January 1st, okay? And if you haven't already guessed what's happening in January, why January is so important, I'm going to go ahead and give you another chance to go ahead and try. Go ahead and let me know what you think is happening in January. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the post notification bell so you get notified when I upload. I hope your curls grow and your skin glows, and I'll see you next time, friend. Bye!